Okay, so the last part we need to do then is we've done the road as far as here, we've got the rising slope, we've done this edge here, now we have to find this edge along here. So this is basically parallel to the edge of the road. So it's the very same process as the start with the cone. Alright, so I'm going to extend my road surface, and I extend this out to this 45. At this point here, I'm going to get my compass. I'm going to take the same base radius of the cone, step it up, I'm going to draw a new cone. And then I'm going to draw back to the 55, draw your tangent. Alright, now it will be parallel, obviously, because it's the same type or same gradient, but that will now be our 55 mark. So on top of this will be, because that was our 55 mark here, we're basically doing the same thing, but we're stepping it and starting it again. So that there is now my 55, and we have to step out every 5 to go from there. So I'm going to step out every 5, so it's a small bit below it. 55, 60, and it goes as far as 80. So I'm going to step off a good few. So 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Drawing our lines, so hopefully you can still see this. Back to 55. Your next one's here. So then this is 55, this is 60, 65, 70, 75, and then that last one there is 80 there. At this stage I'm probably very confused, but just keep, my advice is just keep labeling everything nice and neatly until you get the hang of it. We'll label everything anyway, but alright, now we have to go and find our contours. So we are working off, so this is my 55, so we'll go through it slowly. So 55 contour doesn't hit anywhere. 60 comes up there, so 60 is here, follow it up, that is 60. Look for another 60, there's one here that doesn't hit. Let's go 65 next, follow 65 up. Make sure you come across that 65. We have another 65 here, follow it up, there. And we have one over here, follow it across, and it meets just there. 70 here. Don't have any more 70s. 75 there. 80 is there, and 80 is also there. So probably. Now have I missed something? I probably have. So 70, then there's another 70 here, so we'll go again. There's another 75 there. There's There's 80 there. This is also 80. Follows around. That's 75. This is 70. And then that was 65, which we had. So your curve comes in like that. Lightly join the dots. So we're going from here. 80 there. Okay, so now we have the question complete, and we have to go and heavy in what we're going to keep. So if you see, right, so you focus where each line crosses. So this first curve that I drew came in and it met that curve there. So that's 1 point that we're going to need to use. This next one then went straight up and it met this curve coming in there. That's another point. So I'm going to do it in pen, so you can see. You do it in your haze pencil. It's going to be heavy in between these. It's heavy as far as there. And as I said before, don't ever do it in pen. I'm just doing it in pen so that you can see it nice and clearly. If you want to do it in pen for this question, just to make things nice and clearly, so you're not getting confused with all your lines, go ahead and do so, but just in your exam, make sure all your pencil lines are in pencil. Okay, now we didn't have any more points after this, so you won't lose any marks for not going any further, but just to kind of complete the question, just find and the same down here. Alright, now we're not finished yet. What you do is, where your line meets, so this is our first curve that came in, and that was our second curve. Where they meet, you join it back to the corresponding point. You draw a straight line back to there. Alright, now up at the top, you're going to have a straight line coming in there. So now we're finished. What you need to do is put in your symbols. So it's cut. The cut will go away from the road. Okay. Sorry, I'll make the equipment is going flying. So your cut symbols will go uphill. So on, if you want to just add a bit of colour. Again, just extend that curve out here, just to make the question look complete. that is our question complete. That was quite hard. So what I want you to do is just go through it slowly. And I want you to add colour at the end just to help you visualise it. Because now with a bit of colour I can see what's what a lot more clearly. Okay, I'll stop the video there. Hopefully it goes okay.